Hello and welcome to Stockwatch, presented by me, Evan Lucas, for Go Market Securities. As always, please do a very good read through of the disclaimer on screen. Everything in this video is general in nature, none are relied upon as any form of personal advice. Go Market Securities does not know your personal scenario nor your personal financial goals, and therefore none are relied upon as any form of advice at all. It is just general in nature only. Want to look at the market, the equities that are caught up in currently this euphoric buying. I spoke about this over the last couple of weeks. Equity markets, when they go through peak doom, which is currently what we had through September, always have a capitulation period and then they tend to have a bounce. The question you're probably asking is what's going on right now, that change? Are you seeing a fundamental difference in BHP? Are you seeing a fundamental difference in Rio? Are you seeing it in the banks, Telstra, Woolies, Wesfarmers? I'm not sure that you are. I think what more likely is happening at the moment is that the overdoing and the overselling that we thought through September, which was the worst month on the ASX since March 2020, peak COVID, is just unwinding ever so slightly. The other thing I want to point out from an equity position, and those of you that are holding equities or even just holding the ASX 200, do not forget that $43 billion of dividends that were declared in June, went ex-dividend in September, physically come back to you this month. And there is a level of support that also maybe jumps into that euphoric buy we've seen in the first 2 trading days of October, because that's a lot of underlying cash to come back in. The average daily turnover on the ASX is about 7 to maybe even as much as $9 billion a day. So $43 billion back into shareholders. Where's it likely to go? Probably into the market, or at least the majority of it will anyway. And that therefore gives you that idea about why there might be a bit of a support in October. The question I'm asking though, have you seen a fundamental underlying economic change or environment change, structural change inside stocks? Probably not, but it is nice to see that the shake-off that happened in September may be overdone and the repricing's coming in.